everybody, I am at Walmart on this snowy day. We had a snowstorm the other day. They canceled schools, they delayed schools. Then, perfect, it snowed again last night. We're in another snow advisory tomorrow night. Thank you. But I am at Walmart and I'm pretty excited to share with you guys some deals. There's some great food deals. Since it's past 8 o'clock now, I usually get here before 8 o'clock, but since I had to drive super slow and shovel my driveway, but yeah, I'm gonna see what I have for a weekend warrior. I have okay, so there's one thing where I need a 41 rebates to get a rewarding resolution bonus. Yeah, I don't know if that's gonna happen. And then I need 18 rebates for a weekend warrior, which I don't think I'll get for $5, but we're gonna go inside and have some fun with digital couponing. So let's go inside. I went to my other store for Walmart to 90% shopping, so I don't know what they have in here. I'm gonna still try to see, look in little nooks and crannies here and there, but let's go inside and see what we can find. So here we have the Dove Men for $4.98. You're gonna buy 2 of them and you will pay $9.96. But we currently have a Ibotta deal where you get $1.50 back when you buy 1. So you get $3 back with Ibotta. Then they also have it where you get $4 off of 2 with a Shopify app, making these just $2.96 or $1.48 if you're interested with that. The all free and clear is $4.97. We currently have a $1.50 off digital coupon for the Shopify app. And then we also have $2 off with the Ibotta app, making your final price for this just $1.47. So if you guys want a paper towel deal, we have this one for $8.97. We currently have a $4 off Ibotta rebate. This reset for me so far twice already, but this ends up becoming just $4.97. If you guys need some paper towels, yes, I know it's probably cheaper at Walgreens, but not everybody shops at Walgreens, so I just wanted to share with you on that deal. Here we have some Band-Aids for $2.66. These are just the little cheapy ones. My store is sold out of the other ones that are $2.56. But we currently have a $1 Shopify coupon that you can submit your receipt to. And then we also have a $1 Ibotta coupon, making this just 66 cents. This one would be 56 cents, which is a great deal for some Band-Aids. So here we have Dr. Pepper, the 6 packs for $3.47. You're gonna buy 2 of them and pay $6.94. But with the Swagbucks app, you actually get $3.50 back when you purchase 2, making them just $3.44 or $1.72 each. Otherwise, you can get the bottles of Dr. Pepper for $1.46. You would pay $2.92. You can get the $3.50 back with Swagbucks, making this a 58-cent moneymaker. My husband likes the individual bottles a little bit more than the bigger bottles, but we're still gonna get a great deal. The 12 packs are $6.98, so not worth for that, but a great deal for that. And you can get different flavors. This is a twice a deal per week, so I'm stocking up on Dr. Pepper. Here we have the Juicy Fulls for $8.48. My store only carries the 20 count, but you're gonna pay $8.48. You can get 1,000 points back with Fetch Rewards, and then you can also get $2.50 back with Ibotta, making this just $4.98 or just 24 cents a pack. Here we have this oval whatever salad toppers for $2.78. You're gonna buy 2 of them, you will pay $5.56. But here with the Swagbucks app, you can get $4 back when you purchase the 2. Then you also get 88 cents times 2 with checkout 51, making these both a 20-cent moneymaker. So here we have the Tyson grilled and ready chicken strips These are $8.97. You're gonna buy 2 of them and pay $17.94 for 2 of them. But Ibotta has $1 off of 2 when you purchase the 2. Checkout 51 has $2.24, so you'll get that times 2, so that's $4.48. And then we also have a swag bucks deal where if you purchase 2, you get $5 back, making both 2 of these just $7.46 or $3.73 each, which is a great deal if you guys need some chicken. Hello everybody. Yes, Walmart. So I actually had a lot of good deals on here, and my store was sold out of a lot of things. So I was gonna go do the poise. Well, guess what? The deal just disappeared on Shopkick. It was there last night. It disappeared this morning. Then I was gonna get some Revlon, but my store has all their makeup locked up. Everything in this whole like area is locked up, and I didn't really see anything like on clearance or anything worth getting it, so I didn't get that. And then I wanted to get this like Gatorade deal. There was a Gatorade bottle. I think it was like $4.97 or something like that. My store only had the bigger one, and when I scanned the bigger one, it did not work. So there's like an easy freebie that you guys can get with the Gatorade bottle, and then you buy the Gatorade powder for like $3.48, and then you'd pay like, I don't know, 8 something bucks. But then you get $2.50 back for the bottle, $2 back for the powder, and then a $4.50 bonus. So I wanted to do that, but I just decided, my store was sold out of the bottle, so I didn't do that. And then, like, again, my store was just sold out of a lot of stuff, so, and didn't have it. But yeah, so I ended up getting another 75-cent rebate or digital coupon for the Juicy Full. I forgot to submit my receipt for that item 2 weeks ago. That was the one item I forgot to do. But I scanned it when I was in the store for the shopping app. It said that there was no coupon. But when I went to submit my receipt, it showed up there, and I scanned the item and I got it. So maybe they're just kind of like Ibotta, so you gotta like claim it, and then it might disappear, but you still have it in like your claim section, which I can explain to you guys that some other time. But, so I got that. But my total was $68.40. I got $13.50 for Ibotta. I got $16 with Swagbucks, which Swagbucks just changed their app again. So now when you submit your receipt, it'll ask you how many items you bought, and I think that's what a lot of people were having problems with. It was a never catch if you bought 2 items, and like they probably got sick and tired of it. So like for like the Dr. Pepper, I did 4, and for like the chicken, I did 2. So make sure you guys check that out on the Swagbucks. So 16 bucks. I didn't get anything from Shopkicks because I was gonna do the poise, and it just disappeared. I did receive $7.25 through the shopping app. Fetch Rewards, they changed it again. So they used to have it where when you scan your receipt, you got like extra points every 24 hours. Well, now they have it where you got to play games, but they want you to download those games, and I don't have time to play those games because like it's just where they're basically kind of getting more information from you. Number one, my phone is maxed out on memory. It's ridiculous. But Fetch Rewards, if you're watching this, get rid of that option because I know a lot of you guys don't want that either. So, but they'll see that not many people are playing it. They'll see it. And then with so I got $1.08 with Fetch Rewards, and then with Checkout 51, I got $6.24. So my grand total was $24.33. I got 15 items at like $1.62 each, but I did get the bounty. That was $9 right there. I did get you know, the Dr. Pepper, $3.47 times 2, and then I got the Juicy Full, that was like $9, and so was the Tyson twice. So for $24.33, I mean, considering I got a lot of kind of food items, I'm happy with that. But yeah, so not the hottest haul. I thought it was gonna be great, but I just kind of came off with a wrong day today with the snow. I didn't show up to Walmart on time like I wanted to, and I looked around for my store for Christmas clearance. There was one end cap of like boxes, and that's all they had. Nothing else of Christmas. I went in like all these like little spots. Everything was gone, And it was just like, you know what, that's fine, because my thing is if it was there, it was meant to be, but if it's not, it's not. So that was, yeah, but that was everything that I got at Walmart. Hopefully next month or next week is a little bit better. I'm just exhausted. I went and saw Beetlejuice last night, the musical. It was hilarious. But yeah, I'm just crazy busy this past week, but I hope you guys enjoy it. Hopefully you guys can get it, but I did get like 6 Ibotta rebates, so I barely got anything, which is a-okay. I still wanted to share with you guys on deals like that. But make sure you give this video a great big thumbs up so I can see if you guys enjoyed it. Subscribe to my channel if you guys want to save more money for the future. We're going to make the year of 24 an awesome year to save some money. So I'll see you guys all next week. See you later. Bye-bye.